swim, swim like a shark. Swim, swim, swim like a shark at the splashy reef swimming race. Hey, hey! The big day's finally here, and now it's time to race. Stanley's watching everyone to see who'll win first place. Swim, swim, swim like a shark. Swim, swim, swim like a shark. Swim, swim, swim like a shark at the splashy reef swimming race. Hey, hey! Tucker Turtle can't keep up. Looks like he's too slow. How can he swim like a shark? Tucker doesn't know. Swim, swim, swim like a shark. Swim, swim, swim like a shark. Swim, swim, swim like a shark at the splashy reef swimming race. Hey, hey! Tucker's gliding through the waves and moving very fast. Tucker's swimming like a shark. He's in the race at last. Swim, swim, swim like a shark. Swim, swim, swim like a shark. Swim, swim, swim like a shark at the splashy reef swimming race.